Hello friends, and welcome back. Spring has finally arrived here where I live in the Northeast, and I am so excited to see everything blooming again after a long winter. All of this beautiful weather has really inspired me to start refreshing some of our outdoor spaces. So in today's video, we are going to be working on my back deck and giving it a fresh makeover. Here's what the deck looked like before the makeover. Definitely due for a refresh. The first step is just getting everything off of the deck so I have a clean slate to start with. So I'm going to be putting a lot of these planters in the greenhouse, and as far as these furniture pieces, we'll either be repurposing them and using them in other areas of the property like the patio, or if we can't use them, then I'm going to sell them on Marketplace or give them away. So now everything is cleaned off the deck, but you can see here there's still a lot of algae and dirt. So I'm going to go in with 30 seconds outdoor cleaner and just really give this good quick cleaning. This stuff works great. It takes all the algae and dirt off of the siding and the deck very quickly. Now that the deck is all clean, I'm going to start rolling out the rugs and bringing the furniture up to put together. It's a new day working out on the deck today, and I am hoping to get as much of this done as possible, ideally all of it. We got all of the deck furniture put together. It's out there already. We did that the other day, and unfortunately it rained last night, so everything's covered up, but I will show you everything, obviously, all in the last part of the video when I do the reveal. So it'll be a bit of a surprise. So it's a little bit hard to see, but because all the furniture is covered, but just to give you an idea, this is going to be obviously the dining chairs and table. And then here's the seating area. I'm so excited. How beautiful are these knockout roses? Okay, so I found these, which I think are going to be perfect. They're going to go right in here. They come to about here on the pot, and then I'm going to put some more pool noodle in there, and then some potting soil, and then these guys. So I'm going to cut them a little smaller than the top so they can go down deeper. Okay, let's see. Perfect. It's going to be perfect. So let me show you how I have this set up here. Okay, so here's how I have everything. These are just cut in half on top of this upside down nursery pot, and then a bunch of just little pieces down in here to kind of fill in some space so we're not using so much soil in here. And then I'm going to do the same thing with this one, and then we'll put the plants in. This here just to kind of leave room for the dirt that's already in here. And then we will fill the dirt around here. Okay, so here we are. So everything's filled, and now we're gonna just pull this out, and then there we go, and then kind of loosen up these roots a bit. Get her in there. Look at them, they're so pretty. Oh my gosh, how beautiful are these girls? The roses now are done, and I'm gonna be moving on to the ferns. Just so you can see again how I put them down. And then I'll be putting them across this way again after. much for joining me for this deck makeover. I hope you really enjoyed it and found a little inspiration for your own space. If you have any questions about where I purchased anything, please feel free to leave a comment and I will do my best to respond. And if you enjoyed this video, I would love it if you subscribed. It really does help my channel. I will see you in the next video, friends, and until then, I hope you have many blessings and a lovely spring.